Recurring service automation lets you schedule annual house washes, roof cleanings, and maintenance plans so those jobs automatically come back around instead of relying on the customer to remember. Route density groups jobs geographically so you aren't wasting fuel and drive time bouncing all over town. Route optimization then organizes a schedule so crews are running the most efficient routes possible. Automated follow-ups help close more estimates without increasing your ad spend. Leads that would normally fall through the cracks get a second and third touch point automatically. Job costing gives you real clarity on profitability because revenue does not equal profit. The dashboard shows open estimates, unpaid invoices, booked revenue, and close rates in real time so you actually know what's happening in your business at any moment. Client Hub keeps all customer texting inside the CRM, so every message is tied directly to the customer record instead of getting lost in someone's phone. For companies running multiple trucks, QuoteIQ also includes employee dispatching, permissions, and GPS tracking, so you can manage crews and jobs from one place. QuoteIQ also scales with you. Whether you're a single operator, adding office staff, or running multiple crews, the platform grows with your business.